Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are happy and safe at home. Myself, Swati, English faculty from Talapadmati International School. Today in grade 4, we are going to discuss a story. As you see in the image, you can see a picture on the screen. See, what is that picture? Yes, it's a nest. Who lives in the nest? Birds live in the nest. And who makes that nest? Yeah, birds themselves make the nest. They are very great because they build their own nest on the trees. And even at your home also, if you have trees, you can see some birds make their nest on the trees. So next, why do they need nest? They need nest to live in. They wanted to protect themselves from other animals as we live in our houses. So here in this nest there are some eggs. So birds lay eggs and they protect in the nest. They protect those eggs in the nest. From these eggs, after the bird hatches, we get small baby sparrows. We get small baby birds. So, to protect these eggs and baby sparrows from the other animals, birds build the nest. Here, there are different types of birds and their nests are also different. So, here you can see, the eggs have been hatched and small baby birds came out from that. So here mother bird and there are baby birds in the nest. Mother is protecting the baby birds in the nest. So can you guess what is our story today? Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay, Nina and the baby sparrows. Nina is a girl in the story, and in Nina's house her aunt was getting married, and everyone, her mother, father and little brother were all happy. Why? They were going to Delhi for her aunt's marriage. Everyone was happy, but Nina was not happy. Her mother took her to the market to buy a dress. Then mother asked, Nina, what color would you like to buy? Then Nina said, Mom, I don't want any dress. Do you want to wear shalwar kameez? Nina shook her head. No. Do you want white shoes which you have seen in the last week? No, I don't want those, Mom. Thank you, Mother. Nina's mother was upset. And she said nothing, but she didn't say anything to her daughter. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Nina, why are you not buying anything? What is your problem? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. Then Nina said, Mom, I don't want to come to wedding. But why? Then Nina said, nothing, Ma, and she started crying. Why are you crying, Nina? Mother asked. Don't cry. What is your problem? If you have any problem, tell me. When mother asked, again Nina started crying. Tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow nest in my bookshelf, Mom. So, who will take care of them? They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep, asking for food. If we will go to aunt's wedding, who will look after them? I see, said mother. Then we will remove all the things from your room and we will lock the door outside. We will open the windows. Oh, Nina. Okay. But That's no problem at all. We'll open all the windows. Yes. Mom, really will you do that? Yes. We'll open that windows, we'll lock the door outside, and everything will be safe. And Papa and Mama sparrows will come to feed their baby sparrows. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, Mom. Wow, really, I'm happy, Ma. It was a good idea. I was bothering how if I'll go to aunt's wedding, who will take care of them if my door is locked? Then there was two plump little sparrows flying over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? Okay, and they went for a wedding and they were very happy. She enjoyed. When she came back, the baby sparrows were flying in her room. Thank you, Swati, English faculty from Tala Padmavati International School.